In this video, I'm going to show you how you can batch upload images using Claude Desktop to the Elements CMS. Now this is going to be done via the MCP server, which is really easy to set up, and we've got another video on how to do that. So let's get started. I've got my Elements CMS here and I'm in the blog resources folder. Now I've got some images on my Mac here that I want to get uploaded, and just to show you how Claude Desktop works, we're going to use that instead of uploading them via the browser. So I'm in Claude Cowork and I'm going to give it this color images folder. I drop it in there. So I'm just going to ask it, can you upload these images to my blog resources folder? Now Claude knows that I have a blog and I have an MCP tool installed for it to use, so it's going to go ahead and load up the correct tools and check out these images and get them uploaded to my blog. Okay, so Claude has gone ahead and completed that. Let's just go and check that it's done the work correctly. So I'm in the blog folder and let's give it a refresh. Boom, and there are the images. So this is really cool, and you might be thinking, well, that's great, but I could have uploaded those manually. Why would I use Claude Cowork for this? Well, the reason being that you can do more than just this with Cowork. For example, you can set up schedules. So you could tell Claude Cowork to monitor this folder on your desktop, and every morning at 9 AM to upload any new images that it finds in there. And you could do the same for sample markdown documents. You know, maybe you're writing posts and you've got a drafts post here. You could tell Claude Cowork to check those files and see what's new and upload them as drafts to your CMS. So I just wanted to show you how easy this is to work with and how you could implement this into your own workflows to make it easier to publish content to the Elements CMS. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.